In a time when expectations and rigor are on the rise, anxiety becomes high in the classroom, and situations that cause trauma for our students are increasing, it becomes critical that we create a positive school environment for the students we serve. Now, research tells us there is a direct link between creating an atmosphere with an absence of threat links to high academic achievement. So why wouldn't we devote the time towards making this happen in conjunction with building a strong academic curriculum? Because here at Class, everything is connected. At this year's Institute, we'll journey down the path of creating a positive climate and community, as well as an engaging curriculum where students find their voice, find their passion, and develop leadership skills that will change the future. And let's face it, isn't that why you became a teacher in the first place? Please join me and the class staff at Holy Cross School, June 18th through the 20th, where you'll begin the journey of creating a positive environment.